Good day, folks. I wanted to experiment some more with my one-wire concept here, along with the I simplified it just for testing purposes. I wanted to see if I can self-charge batteries with it. So for now, I'm running the controller isolated, and I've got it feeding the high voltage module here, emulating the whole system, and feeding on one wire here. I have the one wire going on my 2-diode rectifier, charging a small capacitor here, and here's the spark gap. Every time it gets to around 80 volts it hits and goes back into the battery here. So I've got the scope attached to it, so on the spark gap side, so as it's doing what it should be, and there's random peaks there because it's hitting the battery, but yeah, so it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. And I've got the meter here, another one lined up with the input before the, so what I'm doing is I'm using the switch to pulse the input of the battery for the controller at 1%, so I hardly use any current because I just want to bring up the pure potential without using the current for it. So right now I got my meter set to the 25 mA, and it's running about maybe 4 mA. That's it. And I'm getting all this high voltage in return, and it's triggering the spark gap no problem. If I close the light here for a moment, I will show you that. Just close the light, because once in a while when it fires at the right direction you can see the discharge glow. Hold on. Yeah, it's really hard to see it from this camera. Okay, so now I'm going to read the battery. It started at 12.41. and we're still doing very little on the input, and we're hammering the battery back at around 80 volts. So I'm going to try and take a reading here, doing it with one hand. And what are we getting? 12.44. That's me trying to hold it here, but so are we still what's going into the battery? Not bad. And our input at 25 mA, so that would be what, 4? So we're doing pretty good, folks. So upscaling this should be promising. Imagine having like 60 capacitors discharging back into the battery here.